Shortlisted for the 2019 Polaris Music Prize, Le Mal by FET.NAT. Founded in 2010, the four-piece Hull, Quebec-based FET.NAT mix punk, free jazz, and noise with nihilistic bilingual lyrics, inspired by the 1970s rock and opposition movement. On their seventh album, FET.NAT get repetitive, but not in the way you may think. Le Mal presents essentially two versions of the same material, using what FET.NAT calls a mirror technique. The first side of the album features 5 songs performed by the band, while the second side presents MIDI reinterpretations. FET.NAT are not for the faint of heart. Listeners may be confused by the eclectic mix of funk, free jazz, and vintage MIDI electronics, but as Pitchfork states in their review, for all their jarring sonic intrusions and tripped-up time signatures, they know how to entertain. If you can't exactly dance to their music, you can certainly convulse enthusiastically. Why does FET.NAT deserve to win? From the Polaris jury, Stuart Derdane submits that Le Mal is a party album for post-climate apocalypse bunker raves. 5 jazz punk projectiles of spasmodic rhythms, raging raps in franglais dialect, an utter rejection of polite melodic conventions, paired with MIDI reconstructions of 4 tracks. These sound like dub mixes by cyborgs made of thrift shop power tools. For more info on this year's shortlist and how to watch the 2019 Polaris Music Prize Gala, live September 16th, head to cbcmusic.ca/Polaris.